Hello guys, welcome back to Gets My Education. Today I am going to talk about how to speak English. You know that when you try to speak English, the words doesn't come out from your mouth. Your tongue is unable to work on speaking English. Why? Why do it happen? I am trying to speak. I am also a learner and I am trying to give you new thing now. And today I am going to speak a method which will make you easy in speaking. So without wasting your time, I start it now. First, I want to say that is most necessary what I am going to speak. It is to select any topic and start speaking. You can speak 10 minutes, you can speak 15 minutes, you can speak 20 minutes by writing. And when you complete the work of writing, then next time you will have to start speaking. And this activity should be every day, should be daily. This activity shouldn't be stopped. And in this way, you will be able to speak English one day. For example, I am going to speak about a book. This is a book, and this is very costly book, but it doesn't matter how many cost does it have, but this is the knowledgeable and this gives us information, this gives us knowledge, this gives us power to think, this gives us to power to explain the thing, and this is very helpful and this is the truest companion, this is our organic friend when we are in sorrow. Your friend your friend gives up at that moment when nobody help you. The book helps us in different way. So they are our truest companion, they are very faithful companion. It is said that a friend in need is a friend indeed. So what I say about it now, this is a book, this is very costly book, but it doesn't matter this is costly, this is cheap, but it matters that it is very helpful, it is very knowledgeable, it gives us information, it makes us our mind sharp, it makes us strong, it gives us power to think, it gives us power to explain, and we read when we have vacant, we are free, and there are many persons who counts the book, that's hobby. My hobby is reading the books. I love reading the books, and they read different type of books, and they pass their time reading the books. And in this way, we can say that the book help us in many ways. The book is always standing for us, and when everyone when everyone goes away from you, then the book becomes our truest friend. The books are faithful friend. The books are sincere friend. And the books shows us the right path. The books shows us our mistake. So reading the books is very good habit. Reading the book is very good hobby, and we should adopt this habit. There are many kinds of book. They there are science related book, there are history related book, there are geography related book, there are story related book, um, there are many types of books which are filled from the storage, which are filled from the science, which are filled from the technology. So in this way, friends, you can speak, you can tell, you can share your thought from the others, from your friends. And in this way, gradually, you will be able to speak. First, you speak slowly and select the useful words, and I think the mistake will be at that moment. When you start speaking, the mistake will be obstacles, but it will be passed away with the passage of time. So don't be panic, don't be afraid. There is no need to be panic at that moment when you start making mistake, because it has the time and it will be finished. Your mistake will be disappeared, will be vanished, and you will be fluent speaker. You will be a native speaker. So every day should be dedicated towards studies, towards reading the books, towards the speaking. Why are you not able to speak? First, try to search the reason. Why am I not speaking well? Because your practice is not going on regularly. First, the practice what you are doing, whether it is speaking, whether it is reading, whether you are writing, whether you are speaking, whether you are listening, it should be regular. Your activities should be regular, because it is said that hard work is the key to success. Regular work will make you confident, and it will make you strong. It will boost up your confidence. your confidence will be at high level. If you practice regular, I hope you will do it. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share.